What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can download a video on Amazon. So quickly, let's go to a product with a video. So let's say this one. Does it have a video? No, it does not have a video. So let's go one with a video. Let's say technology. There. This one, hopefully it has a video. Still no videos. So we want to look for um, a product with a video ready for this to work. Okay, this one, maybe this one will have a video. There we go. So it has a video. As you can see, if you want to download it, simply what we want to do here is we want to go here to our plugins, go to manage extensions, then discover more extensions, click right here. From here, you want to type in video downloader. So you can have either these two. I suggest this one, video downloader for professional. So just add that to Chrome, add it as an extension. And then once that's done, refresh this page, go back to the video, then automatically go here to plug in or extensions, and then use the video downloader to download the product. So as you can see here, we can download it right here. Let's download this one. Click on download. Let's save it here to our downloads file. Once that's done, just click this. Then automatically, oh, let's redo that again. So click on this one right here. Let's select this one. We accidentally downloaded the wrong file. So here we already have a video of the product downloaded. So if there are multiple videos, like with this one, this product has 5 videos. So there will be, of course, different options here, different videos available. You can see that here as well. See? So if, however, a product only has one video, then you can just download just that video safely. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button so you'll see more videos just like this only here on Tech Help Guy.